Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. So welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. Today we are preparing peas sauce. So yummy, so delicious, and so easy to make. These are some of the vegetables that we are going to be using in this recipe. We have carrots, tomatoes, green pepper, coriander, garlic, and we also have spices like you can see there: paprika, turmeric, and coriander powder. So we already have our peas boiled and soft. I cook them in a pressure cooker and they are so soft. They are kind of like mushy, but that is how I want them because this will help me get that thick sauce that really goes with almost any food of your choice. Heat up a pan, and to that we add a little bit of oil. You can do half of oil and half of butter. Heat that up and then add in the onions. Feel free to use whichever onion you would love to use in your sauce. It can be a red onion, it can be a white onion, it can be the shallots. So depending on what you love and what you have. Once the onions have started to caramelize, then add in the tomatoes. You can as well just blend up the tomatoes. If you don't want them to be, visible in your sauce, you can just blend them up, or you can use a little bit of just these fresh tomatoes and also add a little tomato paste to that. Once the tomatoes are soft, we add in the rest of the spices, the paprika, turmeric, coriander powder. You can add in a little bit of chumni powder. It works fine as well. Then to that, I add in the garlic, but if at all you have some ginger and garlic paste, use like half teaspoon or a teaspoon. It will work just fine as well. So help me grow by subscribing to Ugandan Kitchen, like the video and leave a comment below. So we are going to cook this until everything is soft before we add in any other vegetable. So once the tomatoes are really soft and they are all ready, we go on to add in the carrots. You can as well add in any other vegetable of your choice like cauliflower, French beans, zucchini, name it, depending on what else you would love to add in your sauce. You can as well just get a little bit of different vegetables just to make this sauce colorful. So you can use a little bit of water whenever we are cooking just to avoid the ingredients from burning. So to this I use a little bit of the peas soup that I have. So I went on to cook until like the carrots are as well a little bit steamed. Remember, these are vegetables. You don't have to cook them until they are really soft. You just steam them up a little bit, and then to that I add in the peas. This was 1 kilo of peas and I wanted to leave some for the next day, so I will be cooking half of it and then leaving the rest for some other time. You can as well just cook all this up and then you store in airtight containers and keep the sauce in the freezer for some good time. So to that we add in the green pepper. Feel free to add in any other bell pepper of your choice, and then the coriander roots. Because these are so flavorful, we add them to bring about that nice flavor of coriander, that nice taste in this stew, and cover. Cook for 5 minutes, and before you know it, your sauce is ready to be served with any food of your choice. I served this with rice, but feel free to serve this with any other food of your choice. It can be matoke, it can be chapati, it can be ugali, anything. Until next time, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.